Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best Switch dock for Nintendo Switch you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the KYSTKRY Switch dock. Let's get started. Product feature. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant silicone, this dock is built to stay looking new. It naturally resists scratches and damage, giving you peace of mind during your most intense gaming adventures or daily commutes. Its compact and lightweight form factor is a total game changer. You can easily slip it into your pocket or bag, making it the perfect travel companion for gamers who want to save space without sacrificing quality. The HDMI port supports 4K, 1080p, and 720p resolutions. While the Switch tops out at 1080p, this dock is future-proof and ready to connect to high-definition TVs, monitors, and projectors with stunning clarity. Equipped with a USB 3.0 port, it offers super-fast data transmission at up to 5 gigabits per second. This means your peripherals connect instantly and work efficiently, keeping your setup responsive and ready for action. The dedicated USB-C port ensures your Nintendo Switch stays powered up while you play. You'll never have to worry about a low battery cutting your gaming sessions short when you're right in the middle of the fun. This isn't just for gaming. It works beautifully with other USB-C devices like MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9, making it a versatile hub for your entire tech collection. Tired of the bulky original dock? This sleek alternative provides all the functionality you need in a fraction of the size, clearing up clutter and making your entertainment setup feel clean and modern. Pros. You are going to love how this dock simplifies your life. Its soft silicone texture feels premium and protects your surfaces from scratches. The fact that it fits in your palm but powers your entire gaming setup is truly impressive. It's a wonderful, reliable choice for families on vacation or students who need a multi-purpose tool for both their laptop and their favorite console. Cons. While this dock is incredibly versatile, keep in mind that the Nintendo Switch itself is limited to 1080p output, so you won't see 4K gaming just yet. Also, because it's so small and lightweight, you'll want to ensure your cables are positioned well so it stays flat on your desk during use. Final thoughts. Imagine being able to share your favorite games with friends anywhere you go without lugging around heavy equipment. This little dock brings people together and makes technology feel effortless. It's about more than just ports. It's about the freedom to play and work wherever inspiration strikes. You deserve a setup that's as flexible and adventurous as you are. It's a total game changer. Ready to level up your travel setup? Check the price link in the description to grab yours. Subscribe to Cool Product and like this video to stay updated on the best gear. Thanks for watching.